In this video, I will show you how to sign in and sign out of Zangi app. So simply open up the app. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on register, then agree to the terms and condition and then register. But if you already have an account, here's how to sign in. Click on the sign in at the bottom of the screen. Then enter a Zangi private number. After that, enter your password. Then click on this arrow icon. Then your profile will appear. Simply click on continue, and that is how you can sign into your Zangi app. If you click on the setting gear in the bottom right corner, here you will find your profile. Simply click on it. Here you can find the sign out button. If you click on it, then click on keep history. After that, you will be signed out of your Zangi app. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.